Cheese Escudero, nag-finger point kay Romualdez.
Sa mga nakaraang linggo, malinaw na nililihis ang galit ng taong bayan tungkol sa mga ghost at substandard flood control projects mula sa mga totoong may kasalanan patungo sa Senado at sa ilang mga miyembro nito.
Ayan ang nilabas ng sama ng loob ni dating Senate President Cheese Escudero sa mga paratang sa kanya at kabaro sa Senate Minority with Jinggoy Estrada and Joel Villanueva. Ang kanyang tinuturong punot dulo ng lahat ng kontrobersya, si dating Speaker Martin Romualdez bilang opisyal na hindi maaaring mabanggit o pangalanan. Ang hinaing niya kasi, napupuruhan na ang Senado sa mga paratang ng mga witnesses na nandadawit ng mga senator from the 19th and 20th Congress.
Maynard Ngu and I are close friends and we go years back. He is also a close friend and campaign contributor of Senator Cheese Escudero. Sometime in 2023, Maynard Ngu told me to go to court and meet Senator Cheese Escudero, which I did. I met with the latter in a private room in the said establishment. While we were drinking wine, he told me, "Alam ko naman ang galawan nyo dyan sa DPWH. Okay naman ako. Sabihin mo kay Sec magbaba sa akin." Also, the delivery of the 160 million for Senator Cheese referred to in paragraph 17 of my affidavit happened sometime in the first quarter of 2025. Around July 2025, I had a chance encounter with Senator Cheese and Maynard Ngu at the court. Senator Cheese Escudero approached me, shook my hand, and said to me, "Thank you." Senator Revilla asked for a commitment, which I suggested. Then he approved at 25% of the total amount of the projects indicated in the list, the 25% commitment to Engineer Alcantara, and told him that Senator Revilla will appreciate additional contributions for his senatorial re-election bid, and then delivered to Senator Revilla in his house in Cavite. Sometime in the year